Uh-oh. Back, pup, back. Back, back, back. Good doggy. Stay back. Back. Hey, back. Good dogs. Good doggies. Get back. Get back. No. Get back. Get back. Get. Ugh. I got their attention. This one's like, where's my backup, guys? And they're like, forget that. Slower you go, the better, really. Like when you're being attacked by dogs, if you stop and stand your ground, that's the best thing you can do, really, because they're chasing you because you're moving. If you're not moving, they can't chase, and they will back down from a fight just about every time. You got a mama skunk and a baby skunk. A baby skunk. Yeah, so mama sees me now. And little baby, isn't that little really, just one baby. She probably originally had 5 or 6, but that's the one that's survived this far. About ready to wean, about weaning age. Oh, baby raccoon up ahead. Baby raccoon just crossed right here. I don't see it now, but he did cross the road in front of me.